Hi friends, fellow travelers, and adventure seekers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in for a treat as we explore one of the most iconic and luxurious resorts on the Las Vegas Strip, and that's none other than the Mandalay Bay Resort. So if you're looking for a getaway that's filled with opulence, excitement, and unforgettable experiences, you've come to the right place. I'm very excited to take you guys along with me on this adventure today. Let's dive right in and check it out. As soon as I stepped foot inside Mandalay Bay, I was immediately greeted by a world of elegance. The lobby's expansive space and beautiful decor set the tone for what's to come. The check-in process was seamless, and I was able to get to my room and start enjoying my stay without any hassle. Here you get a nice desk where you can sit and work. I'm sure a lot of people come into Vegas for conferences and stuff, so it's always nice to see a desk available in the room. And then right here you get a nice dresser, some water and snacks. And then their mini fridge is full of other drinks and stuff too. But careful, it gets kind of expensive, so. My room has a nice resort king size bed. Look at this beautiful headboard and painting above the bed. So nice. All right, let's check out the view. I'm on the 13th floor, so it's a pretty decent view of the valley and the sign. The windows are a little dirty, sorry, but look at how pretty. You can see the building. I forget how huge this resort is sometimes. All right, and then right off the side of the room, you have the bathroom. Looks like you have two nice, very large closets. Ooh, oh, and I think a safe to put your valuables. So nice. Jacuzzi. Oh, I'll probably be relaxing in the tub today. I love the artwork. And then also a separate shower as well. Hello. And let's see. And then I think the toilet is also separated. Really pretty. Okay, I'm going to test out to see if the bed is super comfy. All right, ready? Let's take off the shoes real quick. Feels pretty nice. So far, so good. So as soon as you enter into the room, I'm immediately amazed by the sheer luxury of the rooms here at Mandalay Bay. It's both cozy and elegant while still being very spacious and lavish at the same time. I would say the suites here at Mandalay Bay are perfect for a romantic getaway or even a family vacation, and the accommodations cater to every need. Mandalay Bay offers many amenities to help you unwind and recharge. I didn't book anything, but I know their spa and wellness facilities are top-notch, offering a range of treatments that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the world again. I wish I had time and the funds for something, but I imagine it's the perfect way to pamper yourself and escape the hustle and bustle. Okay, now let's talk about the pool area. It's practically a vacation paradise right here. I've been to several of the other resort pool areas, and I have to say, this is definitely one of my favorites. boasts an expansive pool complex, complete with a wave pool, lazy river, and even a sandy beach. For an additional fee, you can also rent private cabanas or gazebos for larger parties. It's the perfect spot to soak up the sun, enjoy a refreshing cocktail, or take a leisurely float down the lazy river. I think sometimes they even do concerts here as well. It was a very hot day, so this was the perfect afternoon adventure. So my parents also gave me access to their VIP Black Card. If you have one of these, you get to go into any of the MGM studio, like MGM Resorts VIP room. Some of them, they'll have like free snacks and free drinks and free like just little things. It's like a nice little like VIP lounge area, and each one's a little bit different. So here at the Mandalay Bay, it's right up near the check-in desk, and I've already been there, but they've got like free pastries and water and sodas and stuff, and I think they also have free alcohol. So let's go inside and check it out. It's time for my favorite part, the food. Unsurprisingly, Mandalay Bay is heaven for culinary enthusiasts such as myself. There are a wide range of dining options from celebrity chef restaurants to casual eateries. Whatever your preference, your taste buds are in for a treat. Whether you're craving gourmet cuisine, international flavors, or classic comfort food, this resort has you covered. I opted to explore the shops at Mandalay Place. This upscale shopping destination features high-end boutiques and a variety of charming specialty stores to help you find that perfect souvenir. It's basically like a fancy mall. And like a mall, they also have a selection of bars, cute cafes, and other eateries. I chose to have dinner at this cantina, which is super cute as you can see. I ordered the tachos, which is like nachos with tater tots, and I also ordered the ceviche. Last but not least, let's discuss the entertainment scene here. There are a ton of different lounges and bars that offer electrifying concerts, world-class shows, and a vibrant nightlife. There's no shortage of things to do. They even have a shark reef aquarium, which I've explored and did a video here before. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below, so you should check it out if you haven't seen it before. And let's not forget about the famous Mandalay Bay Events Center, where you can catch your favorite artists performing live. And there you have it, friends. Mandalay Bay Resort is truly a haven of luxury and excitement. From the moment you arrive to the moment you reluctantly check out, every second spent here is an experience to cherish. So if you're planning your next adventure, make sure to consider Mandalay Bay for an unforgettable stay. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures. As always, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time.